departure.
1401, that's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C3PO.
1401, clear for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I haven't seen that
Don't be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Someone could get hurt! Lights me, Arthur! No! Arthur, I don't like the look of this. Just got worse!
Stop, Tours, what are you doing here?
I have no idea!
Then stay close.
Why?
If you want to stay alive, you're going to need some cover.
This is no time for heroics! Thank the maker. Shoot! And you! Arthur, I'm getting us out of this dreadful place! The transmission.
I am Mars Kanata, and I come to you with an urgent message. The shadow of the dark side is spreading across the galaxy. My friends in the Resistance need your help. Even you! Head to the coordinates I'm sending you. We must face them and fight them. Now go!
Arthur, we are not going. Yes, we are! This is suicide! We'll be smashed to pieces! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, Arthur! Pull up!
All silence. This is it.
You're right, Arthur. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You got 2 ties on your tail.
They're on me tight. I can't see them.
Arthur, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done!
All right, squad. Start the attack run. Aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been an honor. We'll be safe here on Batu. I hope. Yes, Atu. I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at?
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What?
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
All transports hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
He's up, R2! Where are we going? This is madness! Don't you dare make the jump to light speed! Now what? Pod race! I always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! We'll show him. What transmission?
This is Cassian Andor with an urgent mission from the Rebellion. With each day, the Empire grows more and more powerful. We need your help right now to fight back.
Right now? But
Head to the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. Together we can win this. I'm counting on you.
wait! We're just tourists! Destroyed!
Call us down to the rebel hangar. You'll be safe there.
Thank the bigger!
Follow the ship. It's gonna lead you through the planet's core.
Any help would be appreciated.
We are picking up some strange readings. Stay close.
Oh dear!
We are under attack! Do not stop to us. Use the other hole now.
On our own? And I thought I hated space travel! Brakes! Brakes! Where are the brakes? Thank goodness! Oh dear. I'm terribly sorry about that. Come back here this instant and clean that up. We hope you enjoyed your fight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Goodbye.
Not you, but L-I-N. That's right. There you go. Switching to complimentary.